Dear future managers, today we'll let you know what are the opportunities, job career opportunities in the IFRS. You know that the IFRS are being implemented in India in phases from 2011, and at present more than 100 countries are following the IFRS for its accounting purpose. After a 1 year or two, when all the big economies like USA and all they are will be implementing this IFRS, the IFRS will become a common business language, and it will open a very good opportunity for the accountants and the future business managers, but to be a good opportunity to in the careers, because it is a common accounting knowledge, accounting language, and everybody in the world will be looking to those the accountants who know the IFRS. As it is a transition phase, all the big economies will be implementing it from 2011 onwards. It will give a good opportunity to those persons, the people who can learn the IFRS, who can have the knowledge of IFRS from right now. These are the next 2-3 years will be very crucial, and the demand for the IFRS professional will be continuously increasing. In fact, there will be a lot of jobs which will be outsourced to India from other countries, because India will become IFRS compliant after 1 or 2 years, and everybody will looking to India for the competent IFRS professionals. As you know, this IFRS is a principle-based accounting, which requires application of the more mind rather than the rule-based accounting, and therefore the opportunities in the IFRS for a good accountant or good professionals are huge here, and especially in India, where the more skilled manpower is there, it has established its prestige that for the outsourcing, and this when all over the world the IFRS are implemented, it will become a common financial statement will be produced, and everybody will looking to India for this skilled manpower in the IFRS. And IFRS in India, it gives a more edge or more weightage if you are from India, and because India has established its image that for the skilled manpower everybody looks to India, and therefore if at this transition stage when the big economies are going to implement the IFRS, the opportunity becomes more and more here. So it's I think that everybody should utilize these opportunities to get a knowledge in the IFRS, and that will give them an ample opportunity to move around the world. And even in 2015 and 16, there will be a huge demand for the IFRS professional in the USA, the biggest economy in the world. And it will be your right decision to do any course in the IFRS. The IFRS course which is being followed by the Pyran Educations is from the ACCA UK, which is a globally recognized qualifications, and you will have an opportunity all over the globe in the IFRS. Thank you.